បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាលោកគ្រូប្រាប់ពីរបៀបដែលយើងធ្វើបទបង្ហាញតាក់ទងប្រធានបទដែលគ្រូដាក់ឲ្យហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងចំណុចចាប់ផ្ដើមគឺយើងត្រូវប្រើ4លោកគ្រូឲ្យ4ជំរើសយើងយកមួយណាក៏បានដែរតែលោកគ្រូគិតថាទី1ទី2ល្អទី3ទី4ក៏ល្អដែរយើងគ្រាន់យើងដាក់ឈ្មោះយើងថែមបន្តិចមកណាដូចថា Good morning everyone today I would like to talk about what makes a good student ហើយទី2 Hello everyone have you ever wonder what makes a good student today I will explain ហើយយើងចូលប្រធានបទមកណា Okay to number 3 today I'm going to share my idea about what makes a good student number 4 being a good student is important today I will talk about Okay នេះជាពាក្យកលឹះបើមិត្តភ័ក្ដិយើងយកទី1យើងយកទី2ទៅកុំឲ្យក្បាលផ្ដើមនៃបទបង្ហាញរបស់យើងហ្នឹងវាដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចជ្រើសរើសជំរើសហ្នឹងហើយយើងពិភាក្សាជាមួយដៃគូយើងមកហើយយើងរៀន challenge គ្នាអូខេឥឡូវលោកគ្រូប្រាប់ពីកលឹះនៃការបញ្ចេញសំឡេងហើយយើងកុំធ្វើឲ្យដូចថាអានយកយើងត្រូវនិយាយទៅរៀងដៀកឌុបតែគ្រាន់តែការនិយាយដូចយើងរនឹកមកបញ្យល់បង្ហាញប្រាប់អ្នកស្ដាប់ទស្សនិកជនរបស់យើងបាទអូខេ A good student is not just someone who gets high grades កន្លែងនេះយើងត្រូវមានcomma មួយនេះយើងត្រូវរៀងចប់បន្តិចមក high grades but someone who show positive attitudes and strong habits in learning បាទយើងសម្រាប់សិនមកកុំអាលចូលដល់paragraph បន្ទាប់ First a good student is responsible they complete homework on time come to class prepare and follow instruction carefully responsibility so that they take their education seriously second a good student is hardworking and motivated they try their best even when subjects are difficult. Instead of giving up, they ask questions and look for ways to improve. ហើយយើងរៀងដកឃ្លាមក Another important quality is being active in class. A good student participates in discussions, listen to the teacher, and shares ideas. This helps them understand lesson better. Good students also show respect. They respect their teachers, classmates, and learning environment. They listen when others speak and work well in group. Finally, a good student has a positive attitude. They are willing to learn, accept mistakes, and use them as a chance to grow. ហើយកន្លែងនេះយើងរៀងដកឃ្លាមក in short អានេះគេថាបញ្ចប់មកជាចុងបញ្ចប់យើងសរុបប្រមាណដែលយើងនិយាយមកគេសង្ខេប in short a good student is responsible យើងរៀងដកឃ្លាមក responsible hardworking active respectful and positive កន្លែងយើងអាចធ្វើកាយវិការមួយមកហើយយើងសង្កត់ is responsible hardworking active respectful and positive not perfect but always try to improve thank you for watching that's all bye យើងអាចនិយាយអីក៏បានដែរចុងក្រោយយើងបញ្ចប់បន្ថែមរបស់យើងមកអូខេបានប៉ុណ្ណឹង